Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Please, thank you again to our partner VST for inviting us for this particular event. And basically, it's nice to actually see again our partner. Okay? Though it's a webinar, but we're hoping to see everyone soon. Okay. So this afternoon, as mentioned, we'll try to actually also make this a bit fun. So we'll be actually doing a bit of question during the middle of the presentation. Okay. And this afternoon, I'll be actually talking about our Dell's client solution and how we actually keep connected and how do we adapt the work from home anywhere lifestyle, talking about our commercial and endpoint solution. Okay, so moving on, basically, we know everyone already that there's a significant change that we have experienced with the pandemic. Okay? Everyone actually was forced to actually work from home, which until now we're doing right now. Okay? We've seen how we actually provide and support our customer to adapt on the workforce transformation, remote work requirement that they have. There's a huge demand in terms of the devices and helping them to make sure that their workforce be able to work anywhere, everywhere during this time of pandemic. Making sure that as Dell Technology, we are able to actually help them to support their needs as they transform the way they do their business. Okay? Right now, actually, we probably do not know what will happen. How does the new normal will be adapted? How things will be actually in the next coming months. Okay? But we've been actually seeing organizations already. I'm sure your customer, you've been hearing them already taking into consideration on probably shifting into a hybrid setup. They might allow already some of their employees to do, let's say, working from home once or twice in a week. Okay, and we'll probably see this. And based on some survey, there could actually be the new normal to be considered, wherein 7 to 75 companies are probably considering or implementing a hybrid work already as we return back or some into the office. In which in Dell Technology, we are actually started to do this already, taking into considerations, allowing actually employee to continue to actually work from home, okay? And basically, this is something that we can also see across our corporate customer. With this actually times right now, okay, organizations who were able to actually invest in terms of adapting the remote or the transformations ahead are getting the benefit of it. Okay? Because of this, we actually see organizations will actually look into end user experience. Okay? There could be a lot of factors that IT is actually considering right now. How they will be able to actually keep their workforce be productive with the technology that they have right now. Past years ago, Dell Technology conducted a survey that talks about what will be the future of the workforce. So what is actually impacting in terms of their productivity. Okay, so basically 61% of those workforce who are actually surveyed is that there's an impact on productivity if we're talking about system freeze, bugs, okay, glitches, okay, that also impacts behavior motivation of a workforce. It could be an indirect loss for the organization. There's also a direct loss in terms of time because some organizations will probably think my system is still working. I've been using it, or this system is still we've been using for the past 5 or 8 years ago. But there are indirect costs or losses that the organization could experience because it actually impacting user productivity. In certain organizations or workforce telling 84%, they're actually looking into very critical for them to take into considerations employees' productivity. Okay, so they want to actually ensure that there's actually look into the productivity of every employee. And 77% telling that with this current hybrid setup, there should be a focus in terms of improving overall user experience. And this will basically play a big role in terms of maintaining talents, in terms of competing in our current competitive environment right now. Those companies probably who will not be investing into transformation might be left behind because companies will actually investing on technology into a modern ways to provide better user experience will have a leverage in terms of recruiting new talents from the millennials, from the Gen Z, who's actually looking as a technology savvy that they can actually see them as something that will be able to help them improve and deliver what is expected to them by the organization. Okay? And we believe for us, Dell technology to help our customer in their journey for modernization. Okay? There are a couple of, let's say, strategy that we actually work to our customer. First, of course, is provide the right device with an intelligence and security built on it. So we have the most breadth of portfolios in our CSG. Okay, so we talk about persona. Okay, you've been actually hearing us talking about it's no longer one device fits to everyone. Okay, we actually need to understand who's the user, who are the people within organization, and then we identify the right device that will fit for that particular persona. Okay, after providing the right device, it doesn't stop there. Okay, not just stop there of providing a device that will fit on their lifestyle. Basically, they also need to actually experience a smooth transitions wherein it not just depend on the hardware device itself. They need to have the right software, the right services. Seamlessly, they should be able to access information. Okay? Even they're actually working from remote. Okay? And at the same time, okay, automation. Okay? How do I actually get updated softwares, how the IT will be able to optimize the overall experience across the environment that they have in right now. Okay? So if we're going to actually take a look, okay, with regards to providing the right devices that we have. Okay? As mentioned, we have the smarter, the fastest, and the most secure devices across our portfolio. Okay? For those personas working from the office that requires fixed devices, so you know that we have our Optiplex solution. Okay? We actually deliver a system that is actually military tested, that provides durability. Customers looking for a clean desk setup, we actually introduce our ultra form factor, okay, that we can actually provide our customer a modular type of AIO solution wherein it gives them flexibility on the size of the display that they can actually look into. And at the same time, issues on cable management, we will be able to answer that actually with the different peripherals, accessories, and with the ultra that we have. Expandability, we actually make sure that we provide a lot of options from our customer. Our 7000 series will be able to provide the highest performance, highest expandability that we can deliver to our customer. Talking about security, okay, our commercial portfolios have a actually bundled with the security features that our customers looking on. Overall, for a fixed devices or for the customer that requires desktop, we should be able to actually provide that solutions to our customer. Looking into mobility, remote users, on-the-go professional. You've seen for the past months, the new portfolio that we have actually launched that is offering the latest 11th generation processor for our Latitude. Okay? So we actually have as always mentioned, we built in intelligence in our devices across our Latitude family. We put premium models by introducing our 9000 series. Okay? We actually also offering the best in class in terms of collaboration and connectivity. Okay? This actually year 2021, we are introducing a 5G enabled Latitude on our 9000 series with a two-in-one portfolio, the 9520 and the 9420 two-in-one. Okay? We also make sure that we actually give value on a thin, light, new design for our two-in-one detachable 7,000 inches Latitude. Okay? We also want to make sure that we actually provide the latest technology. Okay? Coming up with the Comfort View Plus that is hardware actually enabled that be able to help reduce the emission of low blue light. Okay? Of course, we want to help our environment. We want to keep sustainability. Okay? And this is actually the continuous project that Dell Technology is doing on how we'll be able to contribute to environment. Okay, and one actually that we did on our Latitude is that we started to actually invest in the first Latitude model, our 5000 series and precision model, the 3000 series. So portion of it is actually coming from a bio-based plastic materials. Okay, we actually made also certified our devices as an EPID certified and so on. So we continue to provide our commitment to our customers, continue to provide innovation, making sure that we provide our customers on the need that they actually looking for those mobile or on-the-go professional. Another areas of personas that we are actually looking into is those specialized users into multimedia, design, media, and entertainment. Okay. We actually continue to actually deliver our three focus areas when we talk about this specialized user. Okay. We focus on intelligent performance, mission critical reliability, and immersive productivity. So let's talk about first intelligent performance. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, it means that basically we actually delivering an enterprise grade component on this particular platform by actually having a Xeon processor, professional graphics card, scalable storage, and even scalable memory for our solution. Okay, so we actually have, of course, our flagship software for this particular device, which is our Dell Optimizer for precision. Mission critical reliability, because of the ECC, the Xeon, we have our unique technology that we call reliable memory technology. Okay? It helps proactively inform the user before the memory fails. Of course, beyond scalability, beyond performance, we want to actually also provide improve the overall user experience, quality of color, the immersive productivity. So we actually support 4K resolution and even 8K resolutions with our ultra sharp monitor that actually can combine together with our precision. And we also support emerging technology. We work closely with this global partner, independent software vendors to ensure that our system works well with them. At the same time, I mentioned earlier about emerging technology, AR, VR. Okay, we have that. We can actually support these solutions with the family that we have across our precision solution. So again, we have a wide range of portfolio that will be able to help cater our customer need across different industries, talking about performance, scalability, and reliability. You've been hearing us, I think, since we started to introduce Optimizer more than a year ago, okay, that we have the most intelligent PCs right now in the market. Yes, we have the most intelligent PCs with artificial intelligence because it's not just in our precision. We actually extended this portfolio even on our Latitude family, Optiplex family. Okay? And then to complete and help improve the overall user experience, okay, the remote workforce concept that we actually have a complete ecosystem that we can actually work together with our devices. Let's talk a bit about Optimizer. Okay, what's this Optimizer about? Okay, so Optimizer is actually a software-based tool that is using an artificial intelligence. Okay, and this tool basically can help improve overall hardware experience. Okay, can actually help improve better performance experience on application. Okay, with an express response. Very useful to our customer is the intelligent audio also because it helps improves background noise, especially doing or attending this kind of webinars, on call with our bosses, okay, video conference. For the batteries, of course, for those using mobile, can actually have the express charge that be able to efficiently help you on how you can utilize the battery because this is also using artificial intelligence and machine learning. We understand the behavior of the user. So the settings of the optimizer is unique to every individual. A new feature that we have launched with our 2.0 on Dell Optimizer is what we call Express Connect. Okay? The concept of this is that if this software detect that you're using a collaboration software, which actually like what we're doing right now, for example, okay, it actually gives you priority or it actually provides you better connections. It detects the better bandwidth, prioritize the bandwidth. So if you're in a network with multiple user, okay, it actually prioritizes the bandwidth that you have. Okay, if you're since you're using a collaboration software. So these are actually some of the benefit that we can have with our free software that we put together across our commercial portfolio. Because of the hybrid setup, we see that the Dell Optimizer will be the center of it, of the center of an intelligent collaboration. Okay, so because of all the benefit that we can get from our Dell Optimizer solution. So of course, after we identify the right device, having intelligent device or having intelligent software with the device, we need to also take into consideration the security. So we have below level OS security bundled with our devices. So we have the safe BIOS. Okay. We also have the safe ID. So we'll be able to actually provide, detect, inform the administrator on possible BIOS tampering. Management-wise, we also have our free management with client command suite. And of course, after sales support, we'll talk about our pro support. Okay? And can even leverage on support assist. Okay? As you all know, support assist can actually help faster resolution, proactively detect possible failure of system before it really actually get effective. Okay, so basically with all these solutions, we can help our customers, IT, to be able to help manage their concerns on security, manageability, and after sales support. Okay, of course, monitoring, management, modern management. We've been actually talking about unified workspace over the past year. Okay, so basically, that's the standard approach that we are actually telling to our engaged, that the way we engage with our customer. So we can tell them that we can actually help them on doing zero-touch deployment, okay? Providing them a more comprehensive solutions that we have in our endpoint security solutions, okay? Managing multiple devices, okay? For those BYO devices, central monitoring, we can be able to answer that with the unified management software to the use of VMware Workspace ONE. Predictive support, of course, we have through our pro support with a support assist solution. Okay? So again, from the device, from the security software, overall management across different platform devices okay? And even from the day one productivity of the user, what we call zero-touch deployment, will be able to address that as Dell technology, okay? So I guess let's do a bit pause on our presentation. Mentioned earlier, okay, we'll come up with some ways on how we can actually make this more engage, more engagement with you guys, okay? Um, I think I might need the help from my colleague here. Ula, can you, I think because we have actually a certain game for you, a question. So we need to actually play a video, but at first I'll try to play first if you can hear the video. And then from the video, we will actually come up with a question, okay? And with that question later on, we'll be able to actually give a chance to the attendees on this call, okay, to actually win a shopping voucher worth 500 pesos. Okay? So let me try if you can hear the video. If not, I might need the help of my colleague, okay, Ula, to play the video for me, okay? So can you hear the video? So I guess I might not be able to have the okay, the okay. So I'm not so sure if she's actually around, but can you hear the audio
Yes,
earlier?
yes. The,
Can
the
you hear?
the audio of the video?
Yeah,
No,
this one.
no,
Can you hear the video? No.
no.
Okay.
Can you share the sound of your video when you play the?
Yeah, I actually can share the sounds. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I can actually, unfortunately, I think Ula is actually need to actually restart the system. I'm sorry for that, but I will just play the video without sounds. I think there are a couple of items on that one. Sorry for a technical problem. So let
Do we
me,
have a
yeah.
file of the video I can play? We can play it later, so we can actually
Um,
play it.
okay, I will send an email. Okay, I guess, Yai, are you in the call? I can
If you could,
actually,
you can forward to Edgar.
okay,
I
I
think
can
Edgar
forward
is
to
on the,
Edgar.
yes.
Okay, I'll skip this game and then I can proceed on the next
All right,
presentation.
all right.
Okay, and then we'll go here. But give me a sec. I'll just need to
I'll give
actually
you a cue when
forward.
we have the file.
Okay, let me
All right.
just
Thanks,
forward
Nick.
this
All
to
right.
Edgar. Sorry about that
No problem. No.
technical problem. So I send the file to Edgar. Okay, let me share again my screen. Okay, so I'll skip first about the question later. I hope no one's. So basically, I'll shift first with regards to the next part of my presentation. Okay. So I mentioned earlier about hybrid working environment that
Mitch,
will.
sorry.
Yes.
Can you please share your screen?
Oh,
We can't
okay.
see any.
Let me uh, let me share my screen again. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So let me shift again. Basically, as mentioned earlier, we've been talking about hybrid working environment, right? And with this setup, we will be actually seeing a huge demand in terms of collaboration. Although we've been experiencing it right now, all our meetings, all our calls are actually through webinars, okay? And we'll continue to actually see that even though we're moving into a new normal, and we'll see some offices to actually redesign their office area, probably investing more on having more meeting rooms. For any cases their employees need to go for a face-to-face meeting, okay, even working from home, you'll actually see that we all need to actually ensure that we're ready for any conference meeting that we might have for a day, or we've been expending such so many hours for that. Okay, and survey is actually telling that there's actually an opportunity for us to engage with our customer because companies will actually extend really the remote working arrangement for their employee. Okay, 60% of the company is looking into that one. And also 56% is telling that they have increased their overall budget, okay, for IT budget to enable the new normal. And 70% of the companies have allowed their employee to request for external monitor and ship that at home. Some of you probably have seen that, okay? Because even though customers shifted into a laptop, okay, you've been hearing or being asked by your customer to quote or to provide them options for display, okay? So because there's really a study telling that extra monitor, okay, will actually provide you better productivity, okay? So basically, for we are actually we can see opportunities on where we can engage with customers for almost all types of users, almost all different types of workers. Okay, and because of the collaboration, because of this area, because of these opportunities that we are seeing, as you all know, Dell actually introduces our conference monitor and we are introducing a new C series family from our 24 inches, 34 inches curve monitor, and even our C27. What's good with this device is that we'll be able to actually address the need of our customer of having additional display. Their user don't need to actually have or can actually have a better camera experience for those who always do open camera because they need to actually do it for presentations, for meetings. So they want to actually have a better resolutions, better picture when enabling that. And at the same time, this monitor will actually comes with a microphone and built-in speaker already. So our C conference monitor basically provides 5 megapixel full HD camera, okay, 5 watts speaker, and it also has a noise cancellation. We also put here the Comfort View Plus to be able to actually lessen the low blue light emission. And with the Comfort View Plus, it actually help keep the color, okay? Because if we're using a software base, it can actually affect the actual color of the display. Okay, so it's also height adjustable and we have the flicker-free technology. Okay, and then of course our curve monitor will actually give our customer an ultra-wide viewing angle. It gives clarity to it. Okay, and it actually provides or add up beyond the monitor. It can also be used as a hub because it has an RJ45, can actually give employees be more productive, use additional ports available into the system. Okay, so again, this is something that will be able to help our customer to address their need for a hybrid setup, the need for actually looking for a device that has an integrated camera, okay, integrated speaker with noise cancellation solution. Okay, so I guess I can actually pop up the first question.
We actually have the video now if you want to do the a game.
Okay, so I can stop, then we can have that video.
All right,
I'll
so
stop sharing.
let's play the video first.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Guys, let's be honest. Working from home is not a piece of cake. Too many calls, too many meetings, and too many disturbances. Luckily, I have my Dell mobile adapter speakerphone for all your conferencing needs. It also reduces noise and echo. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, crystal clear.
Sir, when will you clear my payment?
Hello? Oh yeah, there's some network problem.
Some things never change. Speaking of things that never change, I am so tired of sitting in the same place for hours and hours and hours. Which is why I use the Dell multi-device wireless keyboard and mouse. And now I can work from anywhere. Like anywhere. Here. Literally anywhere. With 36 months of battery life and multi-device connectivity. For a young working professional like me, it's a dream come true. Talking about dreams, you wanna know what's my worst nightmare?
Working weekends?
Yeah, kind of, but you're missing the point. This. Exactly this. Which is why I have the Dell Notebook Power Bank Plus. Because blackouts, power cuts, gadgets running out of juice should all be things of the past. And I learn from my past mistakes. I don't even know how many devices I've lost to clumsy water spillages. Lost, but never forgotten. Rest in peace, my friend. If only someone had made a snugly fit and stylish protective covering for you, we would have still been together. So basically, Dell has a cool new range of products that will make work from home a whole lot easier. So use them, power up, and take your game to the next level. So all in all, working from home is not a piece of cake. But it's not so bad also. Sweet.
Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay, so I hope everyone have actually seen the video. Okay, so for us to, so what we're going to actually do is that from the video, we're going to flash a question. Okay, and from that question, using your chat box, okay, you need to actually type the correct answer. Okay, so, and the first person, the first three person who will provide the correct and unique answer will be able to actually win a gift voucher worth 500 pesos. Okay?
So we are looking at, we're looking for 3 winners, Mitch.
Winners, yeah. And these
Three
three
winners.
winners should have different answer. Each of them should have a
Alright.
different answer.
So 3
So I'll
possible
be-
answers.
Yes, 3 possible answer, and so I'll be flashing the question. So the team will actually help me identify the first 3 people to actually provide the answer. Okay, so I hope everyone have watched the video. Let me actually share the questions now. Okay, provide at least one model of client peripherals featured in the video. We have probably, I think, showed 4 models of peripherals in the video. So we want to actually get at least 3. Okay, whoever that first 3 person will be able to actually win a gift voucher worth 500 pesos.
What if the person provides 3 devices?
Just have only one answer.
Alright,
Yes, let's give
thank
chance
you.
to
Yes, I
let's
know,
give
I know,
chance
I
to
know.
the rest. Yeah. The good to know that those actually they were able to capture more.
Yeah, actually some. Okay, if you could, Mitch, please announce the possible answers.
Okay, the possible answers are the Dell mobile adapter speakerphone for the MH3120P. Okay, we have the Dell Premier Sleep, and then we have the multi-device keyboard and mouse 7120W model, and we also have the Dell Power Bank Plus device in the video.
All right, let me announce the first 3 individuals who have submitted
Okay,
the
sir.
correct answer. So we have Hannah Lou of Apolinar, congratulations. Bon Tolentino and Sir Jonathan Magnay. Congratulations. So you are the fastest participant to send in the correct answer. Again, we are looking for three possible answers. No? So bibilis ng mga kamay ng iba. Tatlo
Yeah.
talaga binigay. Okay, so
Ayan,
anyways,
don't worry.
congratulations. Yes.
Thank you and congratulations. I actually have one last question, but before that, the reason why we actually play that video is that we'll be seeing a lot of our customers, and even us are actually working from home. I know when you saw that video, you can also relate, right? When I saw that, I actually liked that video because it's the same feeling that we are actually experiencing right now. And one thing message that we can tell is that we should not stop by just positioning our devices to our customer. Okay? We have all this client peripherals portfolio that we can always have a discussion with our customer if they're actually are helping them on their possible need, looking for, let's say, to support multi-display connectivity to our docking. We have the keyboard and mouse and a lot more. So we want you to help these discussions to our customer. Okay? And then, of course, as mentioned, remote from home solutions. I've talked about the C-series monitor, right? Okay, and I guess this will be my last question for the day before, and then I have a couple of slides before I end my presentation. But for this case, we have one person who can actually give us the correct answer, and you'll be able to actually win a shopping voucher worth 1,000 pesos. Okay? So fastest person to provide us the correct answer. So let me share the question now. Okay. Name the Dell software that makes the Dell Optiplex, Latitude, and Precision an intelligent device. Okay. BSC team will help me validate if you get the correct answer.
I think, yeah, we have a winner. Hindi pa tapos ang question mo,
Di ba
Mitch. Yes, may sumagot na kaagad ng tama. Okay, the correct answer is Dell Optimizer.
Yes.
And the prize is a 1,000 worth of gift voucher. And our winner starts with letter E. And the surname starts with letter N. Okay, Sir Eric Nuestro, congratulations. Nakatay pa lang ng tao ko ng Q2, diretso pumasok na kaagad ang tamang sagot. Congratulations.
Okay. Congratulations. Thanks everyone. Then, so definitely we would like you to highlight this feature to our customer. This is something that makes us unique across the other providers that we have right now. Okay, our solution has an artificial intelligence. Okay, it actually understands the human behavior and how they use it. It's something that a workforce or a user is looking for, similar on how they use their device. Okay, so this Dell Optimizer software be able to help improve productivity and improve the overall experience as we talk about or as our customer use our devices. Okay, so again, we'll be actually keep emphasizing we have the complete portfolio. We have the complete solution. Whether our customer is working from the office, working from home, on the go, we should be able to actually help our customer with the solutions available that we have right now. Okay? We have the complete portfolios that we can actually help improve the overall user experience. Why Dell Technologies? Okay, basically, globally, Dell is actually working remotely right now. We have the expertise, and we can actually share that expertise to our customer because it's not just the endpoint solution. Even talking about an end-to-end solutions, okay, from our infrastructure perspective, helping them also to actually, let's say, go into or adopt the emerging technology that we have. We have the expertise. We as Dell Technology be able to help our customer with the help of you guys, our partner. Okay, so again, if you need more information on what we have just presented, you have our BST ECS. They have all the portfolios that we have in Dell Technology. Definitely, we also want to help you grow the partnership and the business with us. Okay, So I guess that's all for me for the afternoon. Have a great day and keep safe, everyone. Thank you.